If you like truck campers, this is the best place to be. We have like-minded individuals that are here to share their knowledge. We have a lot of great instructors, lots of great classes. For the first time ever, we will have a food truck here. We had a few people that had trouble getting here. The main announcement's on Truck Camper Adventure, and it had all the details on there.
Former Wilderness EMT, and I spent a lot of time in the backcountry leading bike trips and hiking trips for various organizations. So here I am today talking about first aid for truck campers.
On the Truck Camper Adventure website. Again, the name of the article is Top 9 Boondocking Tips and Tricks. So in 45 minutes, there's not enough time to talk about all the intricacies of boondocking, but I can touch on the highlights.
I work for Battleborn Batteries. I've been with Battleborn for 5 years, and I'm a senior technical sales specialist. If you have questions about, the technical aspects of our batteries, how to install it into your truck camper.
Let's get into our lesson today. Our first topic, which is truck camper payload and towing. This is usually the big one that gets a lot of interest. And I'm sure you've all seen nightmares on the road. We also want to be safe when we're sharing the road with others.
Ancient bristlecone above Bishop and Lone Pine area, the 20 plus stops of light. If you look at any campers that direction that are in the shade or there's shade against them, you can see full details.
There's a portable solar panel. That some of the portable solar panels have charge controllers on the back of them. The regular panels need to have a charge controller on them. This just happens to be a Victron charge controller. But if you use a refrigerator and bring them down to 50%, you're using 100 amp hours. So at that point, it's just a math problem.
The exterior, and then we'll talk about the interior, and then we'll talk about some of the systems to winterize. So, inspect, repair, and then prepare. At your fall, when I'm preparing my camper, I'm doing a big inspection to see what I got wrong. Open and look and see if there's any specifications that you need to look at. Also, the roofs on all these campers out here are different types. You got TPO, you got rubber. Know what kind of roof you have.
How many are traveling with a dog? All right, okay, how many cats? Good. I and my husband own a pet health company called For the Health of Our Pets. So we are certified in pet nutrition. I have multiple certifications in CBD. I'm not a veterinarian. I can answer some health questions.
Third place, number 8. Number 8. Yay! Okay. Second place, number 2.
It's got like 3 kinds of sausage in it, hamburger, and 2 types of beans.
The winner of the Truck Camper Adventure 2024 Chili Cook-Off is number 14. Hey, congratulations!
It's a cheesy enchilada chili.
Thank you everyone for participating. It was really fun, and we really want to thank our judges.
Well, man came on the 6 o'clock news. Somebody been shot, somebody been abused. I'm settling down. You bet that I'm settling down. Justice was singing whiskey for my men, beer for my horses. Singing whiskey for my men, beer for my horses.
We are from Gales on Wheels. We are on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and we talked about it and we just were like, one day when we're, older, retired, we want to do this full time. You just go through everything in your home. Does this make you happy or is it just stuff?
I've had the camper since 2013, and I do a lot of boondocking with it, typically. I don't have solar on the top. I've got AGM batteries, and then I have a generator. I had the original generator in there, but it was just super loud and super inefficient, and Onan in 2020 had come out with a new inverter technology generator.
How many of you belong to Harvest Host? A lot of you, okay. I've used it pretty extensively across the country and Canada. And so Harvest Host, it basically what they do is they work with businesses of all types, museums and some churches, to basically allow you to stay there, and in return, if it's a business that sells a product like wine or beer or whatever, the expectation is that you would buy something from them.
We're with SkyMed. We're kind of new in this rally group. We go to just about every RV group that you can imagine.
Yeah, if you guys have been SkyMed members, we would have saved you thousands of dollars. I like to say in the words of Winnie the Pooh, funny things, accidents. You never know they're going to happen until they're happening.
This is about Truckin' to Tuk. Tuk is Tuktoyaktuk, which is a native village up on the Arctic Ocean. So how many of you have done the Dalton up to Prudhoe? Okay, so both of those roads are great. I've done both. I would say the advantage of Tuk is that you could drive to you could literally camp on the Arctic Ocean.
You're all here to learn something about building a lithium battery. So my intention over the next 45 minutes is talk to you about taking a lithium iron phosphate cell, which this is, and 4 of these put together would create a 280 amp hour 12 volt lithium iron phosphate battery.
We actually contracted somebody to come out. If your tanks are full, here's your golden opportunity. The winner of the OtterBox, ticket number 098320. The winner of the 3,000 watt inverter is number 097732.
The winning number for the Truma 098039.